What's up, folks? It's me again. I gotta put a bag of stuff away, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just record my boring life of what I do when I'm in my garage at night. So I don't know what time it is. I gotta put a clock in there. I have a clock over there, but it's see right here. That's an old Mack truck clock, which keeps time, but it just keeps any time it wants to keep. So, and I'm not taking it apart to fix it. But anyway, I have a bag of tools here, which I need to put away. If you really want to get ripped off in Canada, shop at this place or any grocery store in Canada. In this bag we have a Craftsman screwdriver. Yeah, we have what else? Oh, found a DeWalt battery. Let's see if it's charged. Oh, look at that. We got two bars. Woohoo! 2 bars and no drinks. We have a Craftsman baby screwdriver, which is a flathead right there. See? What else we got? Oh, I remember what I do with this bag. This is this is the motor for the Barbie car, which was supposed to go faster. But instead I had a blown, what the hell was it? I thought I blew the motor. I blew the thingamajiggy. Also, got my crack thing here. Oh yeah. I've had this for I don't know how many years. It still works. It's dirty, it's ugly. Does the job. Part of the Barbie car. I have probably the worst crimper on earth. A wire stripper, Craftsman. This is an old Craftsman. See, was it made in America? Let me see. It's probably Chinesium Craftsman, but anyway, I use it to crimp stuff. I got the Snap-on 86 EP. This one. Oh, there's a shark coming. That. I also got another Craftsman Phillips. Is it Phillips head? Yeah, Phillips head. Yeah, I hate these freaking. I think I did a review on this one. This is a. What is this? This is a Rockford, Illinois Speedex Manufacturing. The little crimpy thing. See? Believe it or not, this thing's ugly. It's old, but it works perfect. It really does work perfect. I've never had one of those. My glasses are all foggy. They work pretty darn good. Pretty good, yeah. I gotta put all these tools away. I have, of course, I have a, what do you call it, Peterson vice grip. Yeah, see, it's you can tell it's Peterson because it's got that little logo on it. I've got me another vice grip. This is a Stanley long nose vice grip. I got me Stanley crescent wrench. I call everyone these crescent wrench, adjustable wrench, crescent wrench. I have another made in USA Craftsman. I don't make these in the USA anymore. Ooh, there we go. I have the Vera wrench. The Vera Joker. I didn't buy the baby one because I never got around to it. But it depends. You know, I've tried this and the whole, like, you know, go this way and like put it in there and then go click and go back and then click and go back. Sounds good. It works great, but I only found several. Like for me, I've only found a few uses. Maybe if you do mechanic work, this is really cool. But mind you, I have to admit, it's got a beautiful finish. Like whoever designed this, designed it like they didn't want an ugly tool. So if you don't like ugly tools, I got one of these. It's a little baby one because I like the little baby old tools. And oh yeah, plastic cover. An old fuse. Oh. And another. Oh, look, this is a Irwin vice grip. Oh, because, you know, I like vice grip. Gotta bring this bag back. On top of that crap in here, I gotta put these away too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The bag over there. Yikesies. I gotta put all this crap away. And got more crap. Little foamy thing. I gotta bring this back to my my store because I need a little strip of foam. I have a 1950s. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's my Crosley fridge or something. I have two old fridges in my store that I use for merchandising, like selling sodas and stuff. It's got a little seam that's not closing, so I gotta put another seal in there. And what it does is it sucks all the moisture in. Moisture condensates the whole fridge and gets ice everywhere. So about every 2 months, I gotta take everything out of the fridge, put a plastic bag, tape it in there, and put a snow sleigh on the bottom, so it all leaks out of the fridge and melts. Luckily this time, where the wire attaches, because there's like, if you mess up the one little wire, basically destroy the fridge. Where the wire attaches, it melted around it, and I managed, there's a huge piece of ice to stick in the tray. And you can clear out the inside of the freezer easily, but it's that one block of ice when it gets caught, you can't pull it out, you have to wait till it either breaks in half. Luckily it melted on the wire, and it cracked, and I got the whole chunk out at once, which was not easy. Oh, look, I got some more. These are heart vice grips. These are pretty good, these heart ones. They're not bad. I got a Leatherman Wave. Say hi. Say hi to the Leatherman. I got some cheap knife. What is this? Oh, a Smith & Wesson knife. I was wondering that one. Probably some of the best tools on the planet. These are Klein tools. Keep making them USA, Klein, because they are really good. Another little, I think these are Moto Master or Mastercraft. Yeah, Mastercraft. They're not bad. They're not great either. Other Klein tools. I was looking for these. Where they went. These are pretty cool. You put them on your drill. Wait, I'll show you that in a second. That's pretty cool. Got some long drill bits here. Oh, some longer. These are, I've had them for ages. That's in that bag. There's a bag inside of a bag, because we like old bags here. I found the plug for the DeWalt radio. Pair of rubber gloves, I'll leave that in here. Those lined gloves that are kind of rubber tipped ones. Are these called a speed level or torpedo? I don't know what the hell it's called. This is for my mini circular, handheld circular saw, I think. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure there's a name for it. What are tools I have in here? Oh, look, got me another Mastercraft. Back in the day when I couldn't afford tools, I bought Mastercraft, not realizing that, oh yeah, you know, well, Marketplace didn't exist. Nobody really looked at the internet for tools. I mean, some people probably did. But back then I wasn't looking at Marketplace for tools. I was just buying tools because I needed tools. So I bought Mastercraft stuff. But back to what I was getting at, these power tools here, these are cool. They're Ryobi. I know, don't make fun of me about a Ryobi thing. But the thing about these is, you get up in the morning, you gotta like do a little polish in your face. See? Look at that. And you know, if you got a little problem with nose hair, just like, see that? It takes it right out of there. There's also, what came with it, is the, if you need to clean the toilet, you could always use one of these. Came with a handle too. So if you really want to drop it on the floor, really got some tough spots on that brand new 1970s green toilet. Hey, get out the old Ryobi and add some water, and you can just clean the butthole. Did I say that out loud? Yeah. Ooh. Doesn't hurt either, see? You do my nails? Oh, yeah. So anyway, maybe the teeth? No, I'm just kidding. Do not do that to any of these tools. But if you got to clean anything, these are pretty cool. And if you really don't have any power tools, they give you these fancy little locking handle, which just goes clinkety clink, and you can do behind the ears. And, yeah, tell me to shut up anytime. So anyway, I got these. I got to put all these away. And I got to put the whole frickin' barn away here. So So anyway, that's the tools I have laying around. There's more laying around, but that's it for. That's what I brought back here because I really wanted the bag back because I was holding power tools in the bag. So now I can put the power tools back in the bag. Use that little bag for the tools at my house because I have a. If you watch some of my videos and go back about 900 videos, I bought a little box of something for my. What was it? Bought a little box of DeWalt thing and have a little tool, whatever. I gotta get a toolbox in my house. So, and for some reason, my wife noticed I'm breathing extra heavy today, so hope I don't have a heart attack. Knock on wood. Anyway, I'll let you go here. 10 minutes. 10 minutes of torture is enough for you guys. So, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and tell me how you like my videos.